Hey, hi. Today we're going to look at TEFS Crypto Trading Simulator. Okay, we're going to look at how it works. Can you withdraw money? Can you deposit money in this app? What is it all about? Can you really get rich using TEFS? Okay, it looks like this after installing it. It has a lot of ads. I struggled to click. Everywhere I click, I was getting an ad, like actually this. There's so many ads. Anyway, so to someone who is saying like, can you really earn money can you earn crypto using TEFS? What I can tell you is no. Why? Because this is a simulator. Simulator means it's not real. Okay, when you read here about this app, they tell you disclaimer. They say this app is for trading, is a trading simulator for educational purposes only. In others, it's for people who are traders who want to learn how to trade without risking any money. So this is like a test. It's not a game. It's a simulator built to help you improve your real trading performance and gain access to your capital without risking your own money. In other words, as it says, no real money is used. So even the money that you're being given is virtual money or earned. So you're not going to earn money in this app. Success in the simulator does not guarantee success in real trading. Okay? Funded accounts are only available through TEFS.com after successful challenge completion. So in other words, in this app, I'm not really going to waste your time. In this app, I need to cross this ad. Okay. They have a lots of ads. Let me first go back. So in other words, in this app, you're not going to earn money, and even the money they're going to give you, you can't really withdraw it. Someone told me, I want to withdraw this $200, which is the balance in this app. I told him, like, that money was given to you for free. It's for exercising, it's for testing out the trading to help you learn how to trade, but you can't withdraw it. Okay, I hope I'm clear in that. So for some of you wondering, like, hey, how can I withdraw money from TEFS app? This is not an app where you're going to withdraw that money. This is a simulator. For some of you who didn't know simulator is, simulator is more of a testing ground for, if someone says this is a simulator, it means actually this is testing. This is not real. Okay? So, yep, you won't really get paid when you use this app because this is a simulator. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you don't miss videos like this that tell you the truth about apps. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.